Greetings from the University of Colorado Boulder. I am Professor Eric Vance, the director of LISA 2020, and I want to extend my appreciation to FUTA and FUTA-LISA for the training workshop that is being conducted right now. It is so important that many more researchers and policymakers and businesses learn how to apply statistics to solve their problems and make decisions. And so I really applaud your efforts to train more people in statistics. Now, we know that in just a few days, one can learn a lot about statistics and can maybe learn how to do your own analyses, but one cannot become a statistician in just a few days. That requires many years of hard work and training and study to become a full statistician. And that's why I want to encourage you to have more one-on-one consultations and collaborations with statisticians, between statisticians and domain experts. In that way, we can increase the impact of statistics to help people solve problems and make data-driven decisions that will benefit society.